practice globally, especially during this challenging time, to improve our mental health. If you want to know what that is, be sure to watch this video. Hey everyone, I'm Alicia Naika. In this video, I'm going to offer you a tip that has really worked well for me and that we can all practice, especially during this challenging time. Especially during challenging times, we are all looking for ways and means in which we can improve our mental health. And practicing this one tip will guarantee to help us to improve our mental health and our mental state of mind. And that tip is practicing gratitude. Now, it doesn't require any form of money. It doesn't require anything other than us practicing it daily. Now, you can do this when you go to bed, or you can do this when you wake up in the morning and when you go to bed. So the premise of practicing gratitude is to think of 3 things that we are grateful for right now. It doesn't matter how challenging our circumstances are, at any point in time, we can always find something that we are grateful for. And when we practice gratitude, especially during challenging circumstances, it not only improves our mental health, but we find that we are much more able to deal with those challenges and those obstacles that come our way. It's easy to practice gratitude when things are going well for us, when we're getting that promotion at work, and when things are going according to our plan. But it's not so easy to remember to practice gratitude when going through a challenging time. It's a really simple technique that has proven to provide amazing results in terms of our mental health, our outlook on life, and how we tackle the day ahead of us. Research has also proven on numerous occasions that it really helps our mental health and the psychology of our mindset. And we must remember how powerful our mind is, right? Everything begins with a thought. And when we have the right thoughts going through our brain, and when we have the right mindset, we can really tackle anything that comes our way. So really try this technique when you go to bed. Think of 3 things that you are grateful for at that time. And you can also try it when you wake up in the morning. Think of 3 things that you are grateful for in the morning. And watch how your day will change for the better. Watch how you begin to handle certain challenges in a better manner. Watch how your morale improves and how your mindset changes for the better. If there's one thing that we all can do globally right now, it is to practice gratitude.